Welcome to week 3. Last week, you learned to build workflows. This week, you're going to learn to make them smart. The real world is messy. APIs return data in all kinds of strange formats. Fields are named inconsistently. Values are in the wrong units. Today, we're going to learn the essential data transformation techniques in N8N. The most important transformation node in N8N is the set node. Think of it as a data sculptor. You use it to create new, clean data from the raw material you receive. Let's say I receive data from an API that has a field called user full name, and I want to rename it to simply name. I add a set node, click add value, choose string, and in the name field, I type name. Then in the value field, I use an expression to pull the value from the previous node's user full name field. Done. I've renamed the field. I can also use the set node to create entirely new fields by combining existing ones. Sometimes the built-in nodes aren't enough. Sometimes you need to do something truly custom. That's when you reach for the code node. The code node lets you write raw JavaScript to manipulate your data in any way you can imagine. Don't be intimidated. You don't need to be a programmer. For most transformations, you just need a few lines of simple code. For example, let's say I have a price value that comes in as a string, like $19.99, and I need it to be a number. In the code node, I can write items0.json.println equals forward price, and it's done. I've converted the data type with one line of code. The code node is your escape hatch for anything that the visual nodes can't handle. What if you have a list of 100 items and you need to transform each one? You don't want to do that one by one. You use the function item node. The function item node runs a piece of JavaScript code on every single item in your data, one at a time. This is perfect for bulk transformations. For example, if I have a list of product names and I want to convert them all to uppercase, I can write item.json.name equals item.json.name virayesh, and N8N will apply that transformation to every product in the list automatically. One of the most common data headaches is dealing with dates and times. Different systems use different formats, and they need to talk to each other. The date and time node is your translator. The date and time node can parse a date from almost any format and output it in any other format. Got a Unix timestamp from one API and need an ISO 8601 date string for another? No problem. Just configure the node with the input format and the desired output format, and it handles the conversion automatically. Data transformation is the unsung hero of automation. The ability to take raw, messy data and shape it into exactly what you need is what separates a basic automation from a truly professional one. In your project today, you'll practice all of these techniques on a real dataset. Get ready to get your hands dirty with some data. Enjoyed this lesson? Stay ahead of the curve in AI automation. Join our newsletter at news@makeittakeit.org for the latest news, tips, tool updates, and upcoming events delivered straight to your inbox. We would love to have you in our community.